Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Charlie, and welcome to Project Morris. In this video, I'm going to be giving a update as to what I've been doing with this car right here, my Morris. I've been a wee bit busy lately, just on little small things. I've had medical stuff that's put me off work for a few weeks, just while my body recovers. Um, Me being me, I struggle to sit down very long. So figured may as well make most of my time and get some more done on this car. So let me show you around. As you can see, I've taken off the seals on all of the doors. I have also, if it will work, I don't know if you can see very well, but the material, I've taken it all off the roof, as you can see by the leftovers here. Getting everything stripped out as best as I can. I've also taken out this back bit that wasn't really much effort at all, to be honest. It's all just sitting there. All the seat belts and buckles have come out, apart from them two right here in the middle. Been given a really good sweep out, just because when I was taking off the roof lining, there was a lot of mouse poo in it. I have no idea how they got in there, but that's just how it is. And yeah, so I've been, all the seals are out from the doors. Next on the list will be these door cards coming out. I think that's going to be the next easiest thing to do. Close it enough so it's closed, but not too much so I don't slam. Hard to see much. It does work. Cleared out the boot as best as I can. Haven't given it a sweep out yet, but that probably should do that soon. That buckle there. If you haven't seen my video yet, go check out my shorts. I've got videos there of what I've been up to the last couple of weeks, as of when this video is going out. The nut is in a very awkward position, but it is what it is. And yeah, so that's everything so far. It's starting to look very empty, but it's all good things. And let me turn that off so I don't blind myself. So yeah, that's the update of this car, where things are. It's got some big things coming ahead. If you haven't already, click subscribe. It's free, so why not? And you know, it's cool to see cars coming back to life. Yeah. So yeah, subscribe. It's down there. Like as well if you like it or don't. Your life, your choice. But yeah, see you all in the next one. Have a good one.